Good evening, everyone. I am Aman Satra. Today, we are here to present our final year project titled Interactive Learning with Voice Interaction and OCR-Powered Analysis. So, our project focuses on improving education for, especially for Bengali-speaking students using artificial intelligence. So, here our teammates SOUMYODIP, me, ARIJIT, GURIA, and KALYAN. Next slide. So now let's see, begin with the problem that inspired this project. So today's online learning platforms offer a large amount of educational content, but they fail to meet the needs of regional language students. So here we mentioned major 5 problems. So let's start. The first one is there are very few yet AI-powered learning platforms in Bengali language. Second, traditional e-learning platforms are static and third one is the same content is shown to every student without considering individual learning pace. The fourth one is students don't receive automatically generated quizzes with immediate feedback. And finally, Bengali educational platforms lack multimedia explanations like audio and video simultaneously. So these issues reduce engagement and make learning less effective. Next slide. So here it's our solution, Bengali AI tutor. So to solve these problems, we developed the Bengali AI tutor. Our platform provides structured navigation where students can study chapter by chapter and page by page. A context-aware AI chatbot that answers questions based on only on the current page being studied. Multimedia explanation using AI-generated audio and video, and dynamic quizzes generated automatically from the learning content, followed by instant AI evaluation and feedback. This creates a more interactive and personalized learning experience. So thank you everyone. That's all from me. Now I would like to invite SOUMYODIP to continue this presentation.
I would like to walk through the core features that define our platform. So we have structured the system around 4 key pillars. Structured content navigation. We don't just feed raw unstructured data to an AI. By utilizing a books to chapter to pages hierarchy, this setup gives students a clear, organized path through their curriculum. Context-aware AI chatbot. Because of our strict navigation, our chatbots answers are grounded in the specific page being studied. Multimedia expansion, we recognize that reading is not always enough to grasp complex concepts. We use dynamic tutor, video and text-to-speech generation to bring content to life beyond the text. Dynamic quiz and evaluation. Finally, we have built on-demand paper per page and per chapter quizzes. These come with instant AI-powered feedback and topic tracking to continually evaluate the students' progress. Moving over to the next slide. So to deliver these features without bottlenecks, we engineered a robust system architecture. As you can see at the top, the request pipeline moves from the front end to the back end and finally to our AI agents. So these represent our modern layered architecture built for both scale and intelligence. Now, application stack. At the outmost layer, we have our application stack consisting of Flutter frontend, a fast API backend, and our multimedia services. In practice, the frontend handles user navigation and queries, while fast API manages the core business logic. In AI orchestration, moving one layer deeper, we hit an AI orchestration. This is where LangChain and LangGraph are responsible for coordinating agent flows. Now, core LLM engine at a very central lies our core LLM engine that specifies LLM powered the reasoning and generation, serving pure intelligence for the entire system. A crucial engineering takeaway here is that each layer is independently scalable. For the next part, I would like to call my next friend.
Hello everyone. Now I would like to explain the most important part of our project, which is the AI orchestration layer, which is which is the brain of our Bengali AI tutor. Our system has two frameworks, LangChain and digraph. The first, LangChain, is responsible for handling prompts, maintaining conversation memory and communication with the large language model. Whenever a student asks a question, LangChain prepares the prompt and send it to the AI model for processing. Next, we use LangGraph. LangGraph allows us to create a state-based workflow for AI decision making. Instead of generating answer directly, the system follows a sequence of logical steps. And the third is context injection. Context injection means that not provide a generated from a general knowledge. However, in our system, before generating a response, the content of the current page is inserted into the prompt, and this allows the AI to answer specifically according to the text content inside it. And the last is topic state missing. This component tracks previously discussed topics and prevent unnecessary repetition. It helps the tutor maintain continuity during long learning sessions. Moving to the next slide. Learning beyond text. Here we will discuss how our platform makes learning more interactive through multimedia generation and dynamic quizzes. First is text to speech. Text to speech. Here, when a student opens a page, the text content can be automatically converted into speech. We use Hugging Face transformer for generating natural voice input. The generated speech is then processed using PyDub, which helps improve audio quality and export the final audio file. And the next is dynamic video generation. Dynamic video generation. We use MoviePy to create educational videos automatically from the page content. The system combines text, image, and speech to produce a tutor-like video explanation. And the third is dynamic quiz system. Traditional educational platform provides fixed quizzes. In contrast, our platform generates quizzes dynamically using AI. Whenever a student requests a quiz, the system analyzes the current page or chapter and create a relevant question and automatically. And the quiz may be contain multiple choice questions and short answer questions. After the student submit the answer, the AI evaluates the response instantly. Move to the next slide. The technology stack. Now I will explain the technology stack used in our project. Technology stack means all the software tools, framework, and libraries used during development. The first is frontend. In frontend, we using Flutter. Flutter allows us to build a responsive and attractive user interface, which support cross-platform development, meaning the same code can be used in different devices. For the backend, we use Python along with FastAPI and EVCode. FastAPI is a modern web framework known for its high performance and easy API development. For database, we use SQLite. SQLite is lightweight, simple to use, and is sufficient for our project. For the requirement, for AI orchestration, we use LangChain and LangGraph. This framework helps manage conversation context, context handling, and context memory. And for core memory, we using Hugging Face. This model performs question answering, dynamic question generating, quiz generation. And for multimedia, we use several specialized libraries like PyTorch, Hugging Face, MoviePy, PyDub. Together, all these technologies form a complete AI-powered educational ecosystem. Thank you, sir. Next, I will continue.
Why this matters? This project is useful because it helps Bengali medium students learn in the better way. It provides learning in the Bengali language and gives personalized answers based on the page the student is reading. Students can ask questions anytime and get instant answers. They can also listen to audio, watch explanation videos, and take quiz to check their knowledge. Overall, this platform makes learning easier, more interesting, and more effective. Next. Okay, future enhancement. In the future, we want to add more features to these projects. We will use RAG technology to give more accurate answers from different books. We also want to add Bengali voice input so students can ask questions by speaking. We plan to develop a mobile app so the students can use it anywhere. We already developed, but we have to increase some features. Finally, the AI will analyze students' quiz results and suggest what they should study next. Thank you, sir. That's all.
Very good presentation by you all. Thank you. Tomorrow discuss করব ভালো আছে ঠিক আছে এই keep up the spirit. Okay, thank you all. Good night.
বই সিলেক্ট করা আছে এখানে সিলেক্ট চ্যাপ্টার ওয়াইজ একটা চ্যাপ্টার খুললাম, খোলার পর এখানে পৃষ্ঠা ওয়াইজ এক্সপ্লেনেশন আছে। যদি এখানে কোনো জিজ্ঞেস কিছু একটা কোশ্চেন যদি জিজ্ঞেস করি, এখানে স্যার কোশ্চেন করলে এটা জেনারেট হচ্ছে, আর কুইজ সেকশনে টাইম দিচ্ছে জেনারেট হচ্ছে, কুইজ দিলাম, সাবমিট করার পর এখানে ইনস্ট্যান্ট একটা রেজাল্ট জেনারেট হচ্ছে, কটা কোনগুলো ঠিক কোনগুলো ভুল। আচ্ছা, এইটুকু।
Very good.